Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Bilt Credit Card soft pull review. The Bilt MasterCard is a unique offering, allowing you to earn valuable rewards on your rent payments without incurring any transaction fees. When you initially check your eligibility for the Bilt card, it often involves a soft credit inquiry. This is great news because a soft pull does not impact your credit score, letting you explore your options with peace of mind. It's a fantastic way for renters to start earning points on a significant monthly expense. Beyond rent, the Bilt MasterCard offers compelling rewards on everyday spending. You'll earn 3 points per dollar on dining and 2 points per dollar on travel purchases. For all other eligible purchases, you'll receive 1 point per dollar. A significant advantage is the card's zero annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, making it cost-effective for both domestic and international use. Remember, you need to make at least 5 transactions each statement period to earn points. While pre-qualification for the Bilt card often involves a soft credit inquiry, it's important to understand that a full application for the Bilt MasterCard will generally result in a hard credit pull. A hard pull is a formal request for your credit report and can temporarily lower your credit score by a few points. This is a standard practice for most credit card applications. Knowing this distinction helps you make an informed decision about when to apply. So, is the Bilt card worth it? For renters, absolutely. Earning 1 point per dollar on rent, up to 100,000 points each year, without fees, is unmatched. Coupled with 3 points per dollar on dining and 2 points on travel, it offers excellent value. The absence of an annual fee further enhances its appeal. If you pay rent and frequently spend on dining and travel, the Bilt card can be a powerful tool for accumulating valuable rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.